Hey, guys, don't play that now. Stop. I'm doing a video. Do it later. Ew. Jesus. Hey, howdy, aloha. How's everyone doing? Just wanted to touch on something I just thought of. Scent of the day today. Second time I've been wearing this in a while. I just love it. And saw my friend today that I help out, my elderly friend, and as soon as I walked in the door, boom, from far away, ooh, you smell good. So, hey, better than nothing, right? A compliment. L'Homme Ideal Perfume. The first L'Homme that I ever got. I wish it was the 100 ml. Got it at duty free, and I love the cherry in here. I love that it's powdery, it's nutty. The nuttiness is the signature of the L'Homme line. Then I got to thinking, I like cherry for the most part, okay? I don't love or like a lot like honey. Don't hate it, but it's kind of like thick and clawing and sticky to me. Goopy. I like certain goopy. I like this if you want to. The powderiness in this counteracts the goopiness and dries it out. And I love the cherry in this, as I said before. So I think I'm gonna label this video something about cherry and how I like it in my notes. This is even a little boozy to me, but gourmand, cherry, powdery. This is powdery too. This is nutty. This is praline, which I really don't know, but I love this. I think it's a great masterpiece. Dior Gourmand. And the other cherry that I like is this one. I couldn't find another third cherry in my collection that stands out, but what got me thinking of cherry lately was I was looking for Tom Ford, discontinued, and they didn't have it, and I was disappointed in Tom Ford in general. All these colorful things, and then I smelled the Lost Cherry candle, and then I smelled the sprayer on the Lost Cherry, and it's kind of like a which you all know, it's kind of like a cough drop cherry. And I never wore it, but there's nothing appealing about it to me to delve into it, but I might be wrong. Think about if you like cherry as a note in your perfumes, and which bottles you particularly like the most with the cherry note. And these are my two right here. And you know, as the years go on, you find different aspects, and you like things that you didn't like before. And I've never not liked cherry. It's the sweet tartness that I like. I like sweet, but it's not overly sweet. But I think it's the tartness of it that I like the most. And cherry cordials in the Whitman sampler or Godiva chocolates is probably my favorite chocolate in the world. I hunt down that one. If I get a chance to be the first to invade a box. Get some alcohol blast. You get some nutty, powdery, some florals, some woods, but you get heavy cherry. Yeah, cherry cordials I just love, and it just translated into my perfume preference, I think. So, you know, I like raspberries. The raspberry note in Perfume. Berries in general. Plum I like. Fig I'm not a big fan of. Peach is okay, and melon. I don't know which one I like better, plum or cherry, but cherry's looking good so far. Let me know what cherry perfumes that you particularly know of and that you like or don't like. Okay. In terms of Jello, Jello is okay. I like strawberry better, but these are the cat's meow for me. Veuve Delicieuse and L'Homme Ideal. So, just checking in with you here. I should be back. Hopefully, I'll be back with some new acquisitions, but not in a hurry. There's not things that that I need or particularly want. But who knows? Holiday's right around the corner, so maybe Santa has some surprise for me. I don't know, but I appreciate anything Santa brings me. So, ta-ta for now. Toodles. And please hang on and let your perfume be your passion. And let it take you, bridge you through the valleys of these tough times, day and night. Sorry about the chair. Sorry about the chair. Oh, you know, Eugene really hates the chair. Or he hates or likes it. Love and hate are the same for that guy. It's a balancing act on a knife's edge. It makes sense. Passion, love and hate. They're not the opposites. The opposite of hate is what do you call it? What's that word? The way you don't care. Begins with an A. But I'll check in with you guys later. I appreciate it. Stay warm wherever you are out there in the world. I'm going to try to stay cool and finish my star beer here. All right. Bye-bye.